Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, Last time I had a comment on my one of my videos, and someone commented that he wanted to know how want to know how my images are sharp. I would like to show you how I do my images. Most of the times, at first, I mostly don't sharpen my image, but after some classes when I went through, I started sharpening my images. Well, it helped. Yeah, it's helping a little bit. Yeah. So, mostly what I do is I first get my image sharp from images from the shots. Okay. So this images was shot at aperture of let me see 3.2. Yeah, 3.2. So already is sharp. This is loading. Yeah, already is sharp. Okay, already is sharp. Okay, so what I mostly do after every retouch, um let me undo this. So after everything that like after I'm done with everything, I just create a stand visible layer, command shift E, command shift option E, or when you're on Windows, control alt shift E, then you create a stand visible layer. So what I do is I go to my black and white. I've created a shortcut of it. So I think the black and white, you can find it here somewhere. Black and white. Okay. You can get it here. Okay. But I have made my very easy and simple to use. Okay. I've made mine very simple and easy to use. So nice command shift U, then it creates. I don't know whether you do the same thing. Control shift U, it will do. Try that and see. So and then you come to your filter, other high pass. Okay, so with a high pass, I mostly set the radius at 1.7, not higher. That's where I mostly set it up. So 1.7, get it here. Okay, then I move the blending option from the normal to soft light. Then that is it. I'm done. Then I save it. So mostly I move from Capture One to Photoshop. So I mostly export my images on Capture One, not in Photoshop. So I don't do that export in the Photoshop. Nah, I export all my images in Capture. So this is how I does it. So let's wait for it to save. Saving. For the so the image has been saved to here. So this is how the image is. So here you can see the sharpness is still there. So let's compare this to this. So you see it has added additional sharpness to it. See, The eyes are sharp, the mouth, the nose, the mouth, everything, every place is sharp. Okay, you see the details and everything. Okay, so this is how I export at Photoshop. Capture One. So I right click, go to my export, then it will pop up this place for me. Okay, so in the default settings, you have this JPEG 2048 pixels for web use, JPEG full size, high quality, JPEG Instagram optimizer, whatever. So mostly when I'm exporting images for Instagram and other stuff to giving it to clients, I mostly go for the 20 to 2048 pixels for web use. That's what I mostly use. That's my go-to. That is what I mostly go to. So I choose my location where I want to send it to. So my quality is at 100% because at this level the size will be at around 2 megabytes or 2 megabytes or 1 point something megabytes thereabout. So let's check the size. So 2 megabytes. See, so it's 2 megabytes. So nothing to be changes, nothing will I change here. The color profile is okay. So respect crop, no output sharpening because I've already sharpened my image. I don't need the software to add sharpness to my images when I export, which is make it more weird when doing that. Okay, so I'll add my watermark. I've already add my watermark. The metadata, I mostly want to see my settings and everything whenever I give out images to someone, so that the person will see everything. Okay, so there's a summary of what is going to be happening after I export it. Okay, so then I press export, then it goes into my export file where I mostly export my images to. So it will come to this end. So let me locate it. So here, so this is the image. It's already here. See how sharp it still is. See how it is. So this is it. So when I post it on Instagram, you see as you've seen it here. That is it. So this is how I sharpen my images. This is how you see my images being sharp, like being sharp on Instagram. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Hoping to get more um, videos for you. I'll try to comment on things you want me to provide to you so that it will make the work easier for you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they also come and be with us. Okay. Thank you guys. Love you all. Peace out.